guys, what's up? It's Alex from Triforce Cubing, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Supernova Wuque M and the Valk 3M. So, let's get right into it. Alright, so here we go. Here we have the Valk 3M. That looks nice. I'm excited for that. But then, the main thing is the Supernova Wuque M. And I am extremely excited for this cube because I got the Wuque, so I thought with magnets it would be even better and more stable. So I'll just go right into it, and I'll just start with the Valk. So like I said, the Valk 3M is inside this box, and I think I'll just go right into it. So, interesting box. And here is the cube. So you can see the Nova logo. Looks pretty nice. I really like these stickers, although looks like they may be bubbling a little bit. That's, well, I guess we'll just unwrap it and see. Alright, so here's the Valk 3M. So, honestly, it feels kind of dry, which is surprising considering it got the Supernova service, but yeah, the first turns are pretty good. I like it. It's a little blocky and a little too tight for me, but I think after a few solves, it'll get a little more of that worn feeling that I like. So, let me just do a solve quickly. But yeah, I think this definitely has the potential to be my main. I'm not quite sure as of now, but it could be, I guess. So, yeah, I guess I can kind of feel a little bit of gumminess now that I've just turned it a little bit more, but yeah, this is pretty good. I like the blocky feel of the Valk, and the strong magnets are kind of nice. Yeah, it's pretty smooth, but I really like also the blocky feel that it has to it. So yeah, Valk 3M, really like it. Oh, and the stickers are not bubbling, which is good. So yeah, I like it. It's a pretty good cube. Cool, I'll move on to the Wuque now. Okay, so now I'm on to the part that I'm most excited for. I'm on to the Wuque M. And I am extremely excited for this cube because I've heard great things about it, and I've never really used a magnetic 4x4 that much, so I'll be excited for this. So this is also a Supernova cube, and I also got full fitted bright, like full fitted full bright, and yeah, it looks really nice. I really like these stickers. So here I have the Wuque M, and I just got the wrappers off, and I'll get started on some first turns. Okay, so that's actually kind of weird. For Supernova, I expected it to be a little more gummy. The slice isn't really gummy. The layers are a good amount, and I really like that feeling. It's just that the slice is not very gummy. I really like the magnets. These are really good magnets. The layers are a lot stronger than the slice, which is cool. Yeah, I like this. This is very good. I'm not going to do a solve on this because I'm too bad, so I'll just do a solve like a 3x3 really quick. So yeah, I like this, and I think this will be really good right after I break it in some. So let's start solving. But yeah, I'm super excited. I really like this cube. This is definite main. But yeah, this is just really solid cube. It's performing really well just straight out of the box, so after I break it in, it should be even better. But yeah, I really like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. But like and comment if you have anything. Like the video, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.